M0FXB. So welcome to my channel, and here we are again learning Morse. So if you find these helpful, please like or subscribe to my channel. So today we are learning the letter E and F. E is dit and F is dit dit da dit. So let's listen to E. Now I do recommend you close your eyes and really listen to this without looking at the dots and dashes, because it's the rhythm and the sound you'll be listening to when working on your radio. So let's just do the E. Nice easy one. Dit. Now let's move on to the F. So the F is dit dit da dit. Dit dit da dit. So again, rather than look at the letter, listen to the sound, close your eyes, and let's put that into our machine here, and let's have a listen. So it's, close your eyes, and it's did-a-da-dit, did-a-da-dit, did-a-da-dit. It's really important that you hear the rhythm rather than see the letters. So that's it. So in summary, E is dit and F is did-a-da-dit, did-a-da-dit, did-a-da-dit. Eventually you'll be able to hear that sound and you'll just know, oh, that's an F. So I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you find this helpful. 7-3.